welcome back to another video. Today we have another CNFans haul. I say haul, it's 3 items. 2 t-shirts and a jumper, I think is what I've ordered. And the box that have come in is lengthwise slightly smaller than a shoebox, but a little bit bigger. I have ripped off, so here would have been my name and address and everything. If you've not used CNFans before, basically what it is an agent buying site. So you find the products you want, the agent goes and buys them, they send you the QC photos, and then if you're happy, they then give you the postage, and you just pay for the items and the postage. Really cheap and really good. There would have been 4 items in here, but one of the t-shirts that I ordered was like a long sleeve one, which is not what I wanted. So I cancelled that and I got a full refund. I do have a referral link in the description of this video for CNFans. If you sign up for that, you get yourself some money off, and it helps me out, gives me some more credits to be able to continue to buy these items to do on the channel. So yeah, if you've not used it, check out that referral link in the description of this video. But yeah, what I'll do now is I will get the box open and I'll show you the first item that we've got. If you do enjoy the video, hit the like button, subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or anything, by all means, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Delivery timescales for this item on the build up to Christmas. I think the video might come out quite a way after Christmas actually, but on the build up to Christmas, it was under 10 days actually, so really impressed with that. But yeah, let's open the box and I'll show you the items that we've ordered. So I've undone the box and there is a card in there. Thank your faith in our service makes our days. We hope this package makes yours. And then you've got the CNFans logo on the back. Actually, you can open it up as well. Oh, there you go. That's quite good. So, your parcel travelled through several countries, dodged time zones. There's a 10% off code. Your next parcel with thanks 10. And then you can share to win a bonus as well. But yeah, here's the items all in the box, nice and secure. So the first item that we're going to look at is this one. I think this is one of the t-shirts. But yeah, I'll get this out and we'll take a proper look at it. Okay, so here we have the t-shirt. It's a Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt. And we'll start with the top. It's got your standard sort of collar line on there, and the material is really quite thick actually. You got the emblem just there. There's a slight loose thread at the top there, can probably chop that off. But there's your emblem. I'm not sure whether how good that is. I would have expected it to look a bit tidier, but yeah, for the price that you pay for these items, you can't complain too much. Big old crease down the middle there, but you saw how the item was in the bag and in the box. And the hemline all looks good at the bottom. All good stitching. So it's just a plain black t-shirt, so not really too much to show you on the front of this one. Really lost focus. I'm not sure why, but yeah, apologies why there's really bad focus. Can't get it to focus. Oh, there we go. But yeah, there's the front of the t-shirt. I'll flip it around, I'll show you the back. I doubt there's going to be much on there because it's a plain black t-shirt, but we'll take a look anyway. Okay, we're on to the back of the t-shirt, and the only sort of emblem you've got again is this one at the top here, and that is just stitched over the collar line. The rest of the shirt is all black, so not really too much to show you on this side. Yeah, again, a lot of creases from the bag, but once the shirt's been worn, washed, whatever, then those will soon disappear. You can see all the creases there. But yeah, the only emblem we've got is at the top there. Nothing else really to show you on this side as we give you the full look of this t-shirt. Okay, we're now on the inside, and you get your standard sort of tags. It's all in Chinese there. China, stacked the flag and Tommy Hilfiger there. We've got our emblem there from the outside. Inside doesn't look too bad of it, to be honest. Stitching all around the collar line looks fine, and then at the bottom, I guess this is going to be like we get on the football shirts, is our washing instructions. Made in Turkey, Tommy.com. All the information there for the washing as well. Recommendation when washing these sort of items is to do what it is now, flip it inside out and just put it on a hand wash setting. Then when you come to dry it, just let them hang dry, never put them in a tumble dryer. Obviously I will be washing this one before it gets worn, and that's what I'd recommend doing with all of these items. Give them a quick wash over before you wear it for the first time. But yeah, again, not a lot to really show you on the inside of this one. So we flip it around and we'll take a final look at the inside. Okay, we're on the final part now, the inside of the shirt, and at the top here, oh, there's a loose cotton there, look. But you've got your Tommy Hilfiger XXL, so 2XL. My recommendation with sizing up on these is to go 1 or 2 sizes up. I was buying XLs, but now I buy 2XLs for these, and it fits a lot better. I was finding that they were coming there a bit smaller on the sizing, so by going that little bit bigger, they do fit nicely. Again, not really too much to show you on this side because it is just a plain black t-shirt, but I wanted to give you the look of the inside anyway. And there we have it, our Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt from CNFans.com. For those who don't know what CNFans is, it's an agent buying site. You basically find the products you're after, the agent does the buying for you, and then they send you some QC photos that allows you to say whether you're happy with the item or not. If you're happy with it, it then goes off to the final weighing of the items, and then you only pay for the actual weight of the items. And I've really struggled on this video. Whether it's because it's black, I don't know, but really struggled to focus, which is really a shame. And I'm struggling again now. There we go. But yeah, I've got a referral link in the description of this video for CNFans. If you sign up using that, you'll save yourself some money. I'll also get some money back as well, which enables me to continue buying these sort of items. I will leave a link as well in the description of this video for this item, so that you can then go on to CNFans, choose your size, choose your colour, and make a purchase. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any other questions, by all means, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as we take the final look at the Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.